Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to grammar lesson. In this video we will understand article in English grammar which are mainly a and the. We will have basic views about it. So without further go, let's get started. What are articles? Article are word used before and modifies noun. Now come on next. One function as adjective in the sentences. Articles define whether a noun is used in a specific context or general context. There are three articles, a and the. These articles are categorized in different types as per their usage. Let's look into the next. Articles are categorized into different types based on their usage, definite article and indefinite articles. Articles the come in the list of the definite article as it shows its unique and specific things. Articles a and n comes in the indefinite articles as it doesn't shows its uniqueness and or specific thing. Instead, it shows the thing is being said in the journal now. We learned about some examples to learn it better. Suppose that is a group of apples in front of you and you are given a choice to eat one of them. If you want to eat anyone from it, that what will you say? You will say, I want to eat an apple from the group of apples. Now suppose you eat a specific apple from a group of, let's say the first one, I want to eat the apple which is at the first position from the group of apples. You can notice here how we use the for pointing the specific apple and n for generalized apple. You can also notice we use n and not a for pointing a in general context. Let's understand why we use n instead of a. How to decide when to use a or n basically. There are 26 letters in the English, out of which 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Their rest 21 consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. If the word is beginning with the vowel sound, N is used. If the word is beginning with the consonant sound, A is used. Please note we have to check the vowel sound and consonant sound. Let's look at two examples where we will use an aunt, an enemy, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella, an hour. Notice the word hour as H is silent is here. Hour start with the vowel sound, so N is used before the word hour. Let's look the example where we use article a before a word, a boy, a woman, a horse, a book. These all start with the consonants sounds. Let's look into the words start with the vowels letter. But the starting sound is of consonants. A European city, an 1 rupee note. These all letters start with the consonant sound. So A is used before these words. Let's go for the quickly revision to lesson what exactly articles are. Articles are word used before noun and modifies noun. There are three articles in English, a, an and the. Then we learned in two categories. Articles are divided definite articles and indefinite articles. The come in the definite articles and a and an comes in the indefinite articles. Finally, we have learned and we have understood when to use a and n before a, word use a when words start with a consonant sound and n when words start with vowel sound. That all about in this video. Thanks for watching the video.